Oh shit! Oh damn. Wait, that I made $700 in just 21 minutes. Hello guys, I just found a crazy way to make $100 in just 20 minutes. That's a huge way to make that. Just watch this video to the end and I'll show you how to do that. First we go on dexscreener.com, find the most popular token out there with the high volume, and the main point of this method is try to copy the existing token and try to fool somebody. So let's try it right now and I'll show you how it works. So let me choose now Dcoin, that's a funny name for the token. So when you found the token that you want to copy, just go on this website, that's solana.com. I can say that's the best website where you can create your own token in just 5 minutes. I'm just gonna copy the name of this token and write the same token name and the symbol also, and leave the decimals and supply as it is. Also, I'm just gonna download this logo and put on the Sol meme. And to write the description, you can just go on the ChatGPT, that's the best way. You can just write to the ChatGPT, copy the description of this token and write down to me. So let me just copy this one and put on the Sol meme. Here on the creators info, you can put the creator's name, website, and on the social links and tags, I'm just gonna leave the Twitter link because the Dcoin has own Twitter. And the mandatory action is to put these things like that and just click on a launch token. And now on the Phantom wallet you can see that request is blocked and it's all safe, just trust me. It is because the IP addresses is not registered yet on the Phantom wallet, but it's so safe. I did that a couple of times and everything is working, just trust me. And press the proceed anyway, also confirm. And as you can see, token is created already. So now let's find it here on the Phantom. So it is over here, you can see it. Just click on it, then click on the more, and then on the view on the Sol scan. Here on the Sol scan you can see all the information, but you have to just copy the token address and then go on the Radian. Of course I will leave all the links in the description and in the comments. Here on the Radian just click on the liquidity, then on the create and choose the standard AMM, then continue, then choose quote token as Solana. On the base token you have to paste the token address that you have copied, just like that, and just type the symbols, which is Dcoin, and the name is Dcoin also. Let's make it as a million Dcoin will be 1 Solana. And put the fee tier on a 2%. So now let's just click on the initialize liquidity pool. Here you have to just confirm the transaction. And now you see that the pool created successfully. Just copy the address and go on the DEX screener. You can randomly just choose any token, just like this. And just paste the address that you have been copied before. And now you see that the token or pay not found yet. You have to just wait for maybe 3-5 minutes. It will appear, so it's all safe. Just trust me, just wait for 3-5 minutes. So guys, I've already created the token. It's been only 1 minute and you can see everybody is already getting hyped up about this token and investing their money on that. Let's just wait for maybe some 10 minutes, 15 minutes and I'll just remove the liquidity pool. Just wait. Guys, just look at this. I'm gonna also put $10 in there and now let's just wait also. Oh shit! Oh damn. Wait. I'm doing as fast as possible. Just do it like that. Remove liquidity. Confirm. Okay, we did this shit. Just look at this beauty, guys. As you can see, guys, this beautiful movement. It is important to remove the liquidity in the right moment, so you can see that that I wasn't that fast and someone just sold the token and made $6 from me. So it's just $6. As you can see, I'm not that lucky today, but yesterday, in my yesterday video, you can see that I made $700 in just 21 minutes. Just look at that video. Also, you can see and all the information is there also. So it is super cool method. Just repeat after me and go on the links that are in the description and in the comments. Just do it like me and make money. But it's important to mention it's not financial advice, that's educational video.